Hello, my name is John from Zoom, and I'm here to show you how to use, create, and edit your kits in the new all-in-one music production and performance tool, ARQ. ARQ kits are sound sets of 32 PCM samples, each containing drums, percussion, basses, synthesizers, vocals, and more. There are up to 99 different kits available on the ARQ, and each kit is fully customizable and editable. First, set your ARQ to instrument mode. Let's pull up a kit for our first pattern. Press play to hear a pattern, then press the kit button to see the kit list. You can then scroll through 79 preset kits, or select one of 20 user-defined kits by using the selector knob. You should hear the pattern change in real time according to the selected kit. Once you have a kit you like but want to edit, press down on the selector knob with the kit highlighted and select copy. You can then scroll through one of the user kits or overwrite an existing kit. Press menu to leave the copy menu, then press the kit button to exit the kit list. Now go through pad by pad to play each of the samples contained in your kit. When you find a kit sound that you'd like to swap out, press the edit button. In the primary edit screen, you can scroll through the different sound options using the selector knob. You can also pull up a menu that lists the available sounds in each category by pressing down on the selector knob, then selecting Type List. Here you can see the sounds organized by drum, percussion, voice, synth, and instrument sections. Once you've selected a sound you like, you can add effects and tweak the sound further. Let's take a look at the effects section. Use the left and right arrows next to your LCD screen to scroll through the various effects. The three parameter knobs let you change the settings of the selected effect. The first available effect is the noise effect. This is a simple addition to any sound that adds either white or pink noise. Control the amount added by using the level knob. The next effect section is insert effect. You can scroll through different options such as phaser, flanger, chorus, EQ, filter, and compressor. Depending on the effect selected, you will see various parameters appear on the bottom of the screen. Use the parameter knobs to tailor the setting to your taste. Next, we have the filter option. Choose between any of the high pass, low pass, band pass, and peaking filters. Set frequency, resonance, and level with the parameter knobs. Next is a general level and pan section for the specific sound. Parameter knob 1 controls the overall level, while parameter knob 2 controls the panning of the sound. The next section is the send effects. This section controls the on or off parameters for the master effects delay and reverb. For instance, if you wish to prevent reverb adding to the kick drum when you enable the master effects, this would be the section in which you can disable it. Next up are two LFO sections. LFO stands for Low Frequency Oscillator. It is used to rhythmically modulate parameters of effects or sounds based on a selected waveform. Use the third parameter knob to scroll through the different LFO shapes, such as saw, triangle, and square. You can then assign the LFO to alter functions such as pitch, panning, filters, and level. There are also several specialty inputs that can be substituted for waveforms such as Aftertouch and stepper. Aftertouch is a control that makes use of the velocity-sensitive pads. Modulation is based on how hard or soft you press the pad down after the initial hit. Stepper is a modulation mode that allows you to set incremental input values so that modulation happens suddenly as opposed to gradually. A typical application of the stepper would be to create arpeggios. After the LFO sections, you will find the level EG sections, which is an envelope generator that can be used like the LFO to modulate effects or volume levels over time. Use the parameter knobs to adjust attack, decay, release, and sustain times. On the following page, you can set the envelope generator destination to modulate parameters such as pitch, level, panning, and filter frequencies. The next editable option is the ring parameter function. This allows you to set different levels, pitch, and panning for the top, sides, or bottom of the sample in instrument mode. For instance, you can pitch a sample up 7 semitones when played on the side of the unit to play an interval of a fifth when the side is pressed. The final editing parameter is the sample settings. Here you can customize an LED color, add an LED animation, and assign a mixer group to the sample. For more information and product updates, please go to zoom-na.com.